May I now invite Kashif to deliver his address?
Good morning, everybody. And it's a great pleasure to be here to talk in front of lovely audience and some big wigs of the industry. मैंने भी अच्छी speech लिखी थी लाके बोलने के लिए, but I thought I'll share something what I've gone through since the last 4 years of being in the franchising business. We were just sitting 10 minutes back up, having a coffee, myself, Mr. Maria and Mr. Walia, and they were talking ki franchising world, franchising India, Franchise India as a company, joins two dots. And let me tell you, I was one of that dot when I started my own business path about 4 years back. We had a small spa called Aura Spa. I don't know how many of you all know that here. But then I took that, I got into franchising. What we did from there is now a journey of about 30 plus brands and 2,000 plus more people all around India. And it keeps growing. It has only grown because we've got people like you who believe that they would want to grow and they want to be a part of the franchising industry. Few things which Mr. Maria said, Gaurav sir said out here was very right. We get into franchising because we are a little dearth of capital. अगर हम Reliance Sahara होते तो हमारे पास बहुत पैसा होता, हम जाके अपने खुद के outlets खोल देते. But we don't get that kind of support from the financial institutions and the banks. We need to see to that, how do we get that? As rightly said, in America, I'm from a salon chain called Supercuts. And I don't know how many of you all know that, there are about 8,000 of them. All of them are franchised. If you are wanting to open a McDonald's in America and you go to a bank, you don't need to do any kind of pre-funding. The bank funds it all. Franchising in India is facing that challenge. As he rightly said, आप लोग को मतलब कुछ भी कर लो आप लोग, it becomes a very difficult strategy, difficult proposition to generate and raise funds to start your business and outlet. So that is the reason we start looking at franchising. Franchise is a marriage. You are taking someone's money in your hand, and after that, you need to make it worthwhile for him to be happy and grow in life. So it's a very challenging position there as well, which I would want to tell you all, that किसी ने उनका भरोसा आप लोग के साथ किया है, so you need to do justice to them. But we face a lot of difficulties in this industry because it's not recognized. Gaurav sir is doing a great job by trying to get the industry together, trying to get entrepreneurs together, trying to get people who want to franchise and want people who are looking to start new business together. But we need a little representation from us, and I think the CII should help us, not only help us, but help the industry to grow, get the representation, get them financially stable. परसों पेपर में मैं पढ़ रहा था कि स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने 6,100 करोड़ दे दिए हैं अदानी ग्रुप को बिकॉज ऑफ पावर. ना हेड, ना टेल, ना कुछ, ना क्या पता नहीं. अभी वही हम अगर जाते हैं बैंक को कि 1 करोड़ रुपए हमें दे दें, हमें एक आउटलेट खोलना है, आपको 10 चक्कर करने पड़ते हैं. एज यू राइटली सेड, परसों न्यूज़पेपर में हम देख रहे थे, पढ़ रहे थे कि मोदी साहब ने रेलवेज को खोल दिया बिकॉज उनको लगता है 1.25 बिलियन पीपल है, पीपल कैन कम and make most of it by using this audience. That's exactly what we can do. Franchising is about making the most of the Indian population that we have on hand. We can grow our business, we can expand. I'm sure a lot of people out here must be having their own brands and their own concepts who they would like to take it to the next level. Franchising is a great opportunity. So what I'm trying to say is, like, I'm trying to mix out everything what I have shared in my last 4 years of franchising experience. And I think we all should get few facts right, get our financials and see how we can get together as an industry, go and get representation from the financial institutions. We as an industry can get together and see that whoever is marrying us, मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि हम शादी करते हैं जब हम फ्रेंचाइज किसी के साथ करते हैं, तो जब भी हम शादी करते हैं तो उनका जो भरोसा, उनका जो ट्रस्ट हम पर आता है, we should be able to really give them the return of the same. So we need to be very honest with our business, with our concept. Also need to decide and take a call and decision that our brand and business is ready to franchise. Because ये पैसा आपका नहीं होता, किसी और का होता है. Third thing is, India is a great country, is a great population. We've made most of it. We've started as one brand 4 years back. We are into multiple brands, and this has only happened because of franchising. This has only happened because of the platform Franchise India has given us. What I would want to say is like, we need to get together, and if everybody of you all also believe in franchising as an industry, we need to rise and get together and represent ourselves at these different positions, different segments of getting the audits in place, for having the right partner, getting the financial institutions in place to support us. And hence, I think after that, there won't be any पीछे देखना की ज़रूरत अपने को पड़ेगी नहीं फिर. मैंने भी मतलब, I think this is what I would like to share with you. And I'm sure more than me, there are big wigs who will give more of their experiences, share more of their thoughts, which will help you to go to the next level. So we've been at the bottom line, I would want to say कि हमने तो बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, thanks to franchising, thanks to Franchise India, thanks to the platform that has been created. And I'm sure if you also utilize this way and get whatever experiences that we have and what we are sharing with you, put it right to you, the best of your knowledge and ability, I'm sure sky is the limit. Thanks a lot for giving us a platform, and Franchise India all the way. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks.
Kashif, thank you very much. May I now request Mr. R.P. Vaishya.